Assalamualaikum, my name is Mahirah Athirah and I'm from 5KK. Here, I'd like to share with you about Archimedes' principle. Okay, let's start. What does Archimedes' principle state? It states that an object which is partially or fully immersed in a fluid will experience a buoyant force equal to the weight of fluid displaced. There's a lot of applications of Archimedes' principle, but I choose hot air balloon. So, how does a hot air balloon work in theory? In theory, hot air balloons work on a simple principle, which is, if hot air rises while cool air sinks, this means the balloons fly because the hot air inside weighs less than the air on the outside, causing it to float upwards. Here's another way to look at it. Generally speaking, hot air balloon will float if the density of air in the balloon is less than the density of surrounding air and vice versa. In other words, it is lighter than the surrounding air. The next one is practice of hot air balloons. What do you need to build a hot air balloon in practice? The three things that you need are an envelope, a burner, and a basket. Envelope usually made from a strong, light, durable synthetic fabric such as ripstop nylon. Next one is burner. The hot air that fills the envelope comes from gas jets fueled by propane cylinders. And the third one is basket. It's traditional for hot air balloon to carry their passengers and cargo in a wicker basket suspended directly beneath the burners and the envelope. Here are some additional notes. Wicker is light, durable, and squishy, so it helps to absorb some of the impact if the balloon lands too quickly. Now, let's go to the next point. How to fly a hot air balloon. We can launch a hot air balloon by first unwrapping the envelope and laying it along the ground. Second, tie it to the burners and basket and use a large fan to inflate it with cool air. And third, remove the fan and use the burners to heat the air until it's hot enough to lift you off the ground. And last but not least, once you reach the airborne, all you can really control is whether the balloon rises or falls. It can go up by turning on the burners to heat the air in the envelope. And it can go down by opening the parachute vent to allow hot air to escape and cool air to rush in to take its place. For bright info, balloon goes up when parachute valve is closed, burner is ignited, air is heated up, and weight of balloon is less than buoyant force. And balloon comes down when parachute valve is open, hot air is released, burner is turned off, and weight of balloon is more than buoyant force. Who invented hot air balloon? An early flight by the pioneering Montgolfier brothers. This one carried 7 passengers, including the two brothers, and took place over Lyon, France on January 19, 1784. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.